The blade clamp secures the saw blade to your jigsaw's recip shaft. The blade clamp is a quick release type, making blade changes fast and easy. Over time, the clamp will wear and might no longer hold the blade securely. The clamp can be broken if the saw is dropped or by other accidental damage. Replacing the blade clamp is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old blade clamp from the recip shaft. The blade clamp is secured with 2 screws. Now I can install the new blade clamp. I'll place the screws into the blade clamp and then align it with the recip shaft. And now I can secure it with the screws. And that's how easy it is to install a new blade clamp on your jigsaw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.